Good afternoon. I'm coming to you from Durand, Michigan. We're here at Amtrak Station. We're here to do an Amtrak Station tour. I think there's a museum here and a depot. There's all kinds of stuff to look at here. So this one's going to be really cool, so you're going to want to stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, my name is Dan. I'm attempting to visit every Amtrak station in America. And this is my next stop, and I want you to come along with us. All right, let's go make some memories. So this is some sort of old train building here. Hopefully we'll get clarification as to exactly what it is. I don't know what was in there before. Check this out. You can tell there was a train thing here. There were tracks here at one point. You can tell by looking at it. So we do have tracks here. We got some people over here too. Some train watchers, train spotters. So we've got one's track that curves. There's an intersection right there of track. Huh. Looks like there's a lot to see here. Interesting. But I believe this is the train museum it's called now. I don't know the exact name of the museum. I'll get it for you. It was on the sign on the other side of the building. We're gonna go see what we can see and move on. This is a huge building. Was this a really busy train station back in the day? Because this building is humongous. Huh. Well, I found our mystery wheelchair lift. It's always a mystery to see where it's hidden. There it is right there. There's that. I don't see a lot of places to sit. I see a few wooden benches and some signage. Let's go see if we can get in on the other side. Okay, so you see they got a picnic table here too. What did you say? Oh. Oh no, the sticker thing. Now we got our Amtrak sign up here. There's a lot of people here. They must be waiting on trains. Some of them look bored, some of them look excited. I don't see any sign of a train coming. I don't even hear one. It says service dogs only, please. Check that out. And it says sorry, we're closed. So I'm guessing this door is gonna be locked. Let's try it out. It says this is an unstaffed Amtrak facility. It's open 30 minutes prior to the train and closes on departure. Purchase your tickets online. Reservations 1-800-872-7245 or at amtrak.com. It says westbound departures 8:04 a.m. Eastbound arrivals at 9:31 p.m. So it's either early in the morning or late at night. So this is inside the museum here. Not sure what all we're gonna see.
There's more to see upstairs.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, what do you got?
Men's bathroom and an elevator through here. Women's restrooms over this way. Some old memorabilia in here. Ooh, Detroit Toledo Shoreline. That must be where the name came from. There used to be a school named Shoreline or something like that in that area. A lot of old artwork in here. So here's the vending machine that Tori saw from the other side. Let's see what all we got to see in here. I'll kind of give you guys a little 360 in here after I kind of breeze past everything. Operation Lifesaver. Trains can't stop. You can. That's definitely true. Always be safe. There's Santa's little train. Look at these old travel chests. I don't know how that people lifted these big heavy ones. These wooden ones. I couldn't even imagine how much that would weigh. And there's a little ducky in here. Hey buddy, how you doing? There's the old ticket counter. I love the old sign up here. This Amtrak Durand sign, that's really cool. Glad they were able to save that. A coffee station in here. Donations are appreciated. Here's the old piano that Tori was talking about. Some old suitcases. Here's the little free library. One of these, like take a book, leave a book type things. That's good if you're getting ready to go on the train. You can grab a book and then bring it back when you come back. We got a little train set, play set up here. A bunch of little pieces like the Thomas the Train type thing. Or like my Brightline one that I have at work. What's this? This is the women's bathroom, and there's like a makeup table. What? Now that makes me want to peek in the men's bathroom. The men's bathroom is probably just a urinal and a toilet. So here's kind of what it looks like inside, guys. This is a really cool station. I'm glad we're able to see inside. Yeah, so here's the men's restroom. Yep, no fancy place to sit down. Just a place to go to the bathroom. We always get the shaft, don't we? Hi. Look, so there's more to see upstairs. We gotta go upstairs then too. Look at all these old model trains. Ooh, the Amtrak Casella. Some old telegraphs. Western Union. Oh, this little guy somebody made. Here's another piano. More old suitcases. Now we're heading upstairs, see what's up here. Don't worry, there is an elevator in here too, so if you're unable to make the climb up the steps, there is an elevator. Look at this beautiful mural. That's really cool. Let's see what's in here. This looks like it's set up as like a banquet room. They have cameras up here, they have speakers, the string lights. They probably use this for parties, maybe birthday parties, receptions, that kind of stuff. Little get-togethers in the town, maybe to make a few extra dollars, which probably helps contribute to the station. That's pretty cool, made out of Legos. See, there is an elevator in here. So like I said, if you can't get up and down the steps, don't worry. They have an elevator that works. There is a restroom up here on the second floor too, which is good to know. Hi.
Hi.
Got all kinds of good paintings in here. Pictures on the wall. This is a pretty cool museum. Ooh, the boardroom. Important dealings taking place in there, I'm sure. We're at museum Saturdays 1 to 4. I'm impressed. Durand's got a really cool station. This is neat. Spent a lot of time here. Definitely a lot more time than we thought we were going to be here, but that's not a bad thing. Alright, so right outside of the museum, they've got these old luggage carts here. This one says Railway Express Agency. They've actually got the two of them connected to each other. So there's some sort of historical sign over here. I'm going to go see what that says. The Durand Union Station. The Detroit-Milwaukee Railway brought Durand its first rail service in 1856. Wow. In 1877, the Chicago and Northeastern Railroad reached the town, and in 1885, the Toledo, Ann Arbor, and North Michigan. Later, the Ann Arbor Railroad added its tracks. The Grand Trunk Railway system and the Ann Arbor Railroad built this depot in 1903 at the cost of $60,000. Wow, to build something this size today, it'd be millions. It says to serve the thousands of passengers who came to the railroad center. In 1905, the depot was nearly destroyed by fire. However, within 6 months, this near replica had been completed. The last Grand Trunk Western Railroad passenger train stopped here in 1971. Passenger service resumed in 1974 with Amtrak. The city of Durand acquired the depot in 1979. It says this building is 239 feet long. Originally featured a spacious waiting room, a popular dining room, and a lunch counter, areas for baggage and express mail, and was a telegraph and railroad offices. It was built of Missouri granite brick and Bedford cut stone and originally roofed in slate. On March 27, 1960, train number 56 left the depot for Detroit. It was the last regularly scheduled passenger train in the United States to be pulled by a steam locomotive. So you guys heard that. There was a lot of railroad history here. The last regularly scheduled passenger rail in the United States to be pulled by a steam locomotive. Alright, so now I'm going to check out where the platform is. Here you see the Amtrak Durand sign. I'm just going to stand right underneath it, to be honest. You see the platform is on this side. And then looking down this way as well. How do you get through to catch the train from here is what I want to know. There's got to be a gate that's open somewhere here that I must have missed walking. It's got to be down there because they even got wood set up so you can cross to the second set of tracks in case if that's the one the train arrives on. Definitely got some train spotters here. There's about 10 or so men. It always seems to be men. You don't see a lot of girls that are into trains. It's hard to get the wife and daughter into them. They always seem like they find the history at the stations cool, but the actual trains themselves, I'm not so sure. Alright, so that's our platform right there. There's not much else to it. And then you see the old GT caboose over there. I thought I could walk to it from here, but I can't really, not easily. I'd have to go all the way around, so I'll just show it to you from here. Alright. So on that note, guys, that's going to wrap up our quick visit here to Durand, Michigan, to come check out the Durand Amtrak station. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. I enjoyed visiting this one a lot. I figured I was going to be here 10 or 15 minutes, and I ended up being here probably 45 minutes. The museum has a lot to see. I didn't show you everything. That way you guys can come and make your own trip here and see it for yourselves. Just wanted to let you guys know, too, that within walking distance of the station and the surrounding areas here, there are a couple of cafes where you could go and grab a bite to eat as well. So if you're passing through the area, keep that in mind. So if you enjoyed this one, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. We upload a brand new Amtrak station tour every single weekend. Like this video if you did. Please leave me a comment down below. You ever traveled through Durand? I didn't know there was so much history here. I'm glad I was able to come and explore it and see it. All right, guys, stay safe on the rails. I'll see you next week for the next video. See you then. See you soon.